Hi, Lashwin from Ampang. So I have taken part in HiiLSE drone and learn about drone. I've been taken part of RCoCB drone, so learn some basics and how to fly the drone. There's a lot of opportunity joining drone. What we call the drone industry. Example like agriculture, can do for engineering mapping and all sort of stuff. It's a good opportunity for me to learn about drone because I used to have experience. In my high school, I was a drone club president, so learning officially is important. The Aerodyne pilots are very good experts and they're good in teaching, friendly and all that. I think everybody will be thinking about the drone. Call HiiLSE drone now. Thank you.